Italy in a glass, featuring our Pinot Grigio from Italy, northeast part of Italy to be exact. And it is a 2023. It doesn't have a lot of legs, doesn't have a lot of alcohol, only 12%. It's a nice summer sipping wine. On the nose, I get a fruity bouquet, slightly aromatic notes, hints of fruit, particularly a green apple. Yes. Okay, on the palate, I get that green apple. I get a little bit of citrus. Take another sip, because you know it takes 3 sips to whether or not to establish a relationship with the wine, and you either like it or not. It's like, dating. Yeah, on the finish, I get a touch of almond. So a little bit more about this wine is if you wanted to pair it with food, anything light, because as I mentioned, it's light-bodied, very refreshing. This Pinot Grigio has a lot of flavor in it, unlike some of the other ones that I've tried. So for food, anything light, as I mentioned, so a fish, or actually Greek lemon chicken would be a nice pairing with this, because it would complement the citrus notes that you get in this particular wine. And then you could do pasta, but like pasta in a olive oil, like a pasta primavera, or in a clam sauce. So no tomato sauce with the pasta with this wine. It doesn't bode well, or anything heavy. Any heavy dish would not bode well with this wine. So if you want to learn more about this wine and our other wines, the best way is to host a wine tasting. Your charity benefits from a portion of the proceeds of wines selected, and you benefit as well with our host rewards program, where you can get our wines either half off or complimentary. Plus, it's fun, it's social, it's educational. Hey, it's a great way to get your gal pals together, your husbands, your neighbors, your colleagues. So DM me or message me, and I'll fill you in on the details, and we'll get this party going. Thanks so much for listening, and I'll see you at the next video.